that is minus 1 by root 6 minus 1 by root 6 comma 2 by root 6. 2 by root 6. These are the DCs in the first case. These are the DCs in the first case. Okay. Similarly, we get the DCs in the second case also. Here we have m is equal to minus 2n. Substitute this m is equal to minus 2n in equation 1. From that we get n value. Okay. Substitute m is equal to minus 2n in equation 1. In equation 1. This is the equation 1. That implies equation 1 implies L is equal to minus of m is here m plus n. Here m is minus 2n. Minus 2n plus n. Minus 2n plus n. That is L is equal to minus 2n plus n is minus n. Minus 2n plus n. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus n. Minus of minus plus n. That is L is we get n only. From this we have L value, m value. L is in terms of n and m is in terms of n. N is take it as it is. Now take the ratio. Take the ratio. Ratio that is L is to m is to n is equal to L is we have n, m is we have minus 2n, n is as is n. Here these are the ratios. So take the cancellation. N is cancelled. Remaining is 1 is to minus 2 is to 1. Ratios means direction ratios. Direction ratios. That is dr is equal to 1 comma minus 2 comma 1. Drs are generally denoted by a comma b comma c. When a comma b comma c are the drs, DC's formula is, this is the formula. Here also we are applying the same formula. That is DC's is equal to a by root over a square plus b square plus c square. A is equal to 1 by root over a square plus b square plus c square. A square is 1 square is 1 plus b square. B square is minus 2 whole square. Minus 2 whole square is 4 plus c square. C square is 1. Okay. That is comma b by root over a square plus b square plus c square. B is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 by denominator take it as is. That is 1 plus 4 plus 1 comma c by root over a square plus b square plus c square. C is equal to 1 by root over 1 plus 4 plus 1. Okay. These are the DC's in the second case. Therefore, DC's is equal to 1 by 4 plus 1, 5 plus 1 is 6. 1 by root 6 comma minus 2 by root 6 comma 1 by root 6. In this problem they are asking the angle also. Find the direction cosines. Also find the acute angle between them. When direction cosines, when DC's are given, direction cosines are given and theta is the angle between the two lines. Therefore, cos theta is equal to formula. Cos theta is equal to, we take modulus of L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2. N1 N2. Okay. These are the DC's in the first case. This is the DC's in the second case. DC's are generally denoted by LMN. Here we have the two cases. So we take, this is L1 M1 N1. This is the second case. We take L2 M2 N2. Therefore, cos theta is equal to L1 L2. L1 is minus 1 by root 6 and L2 is 1 by root 6. That is minus 1 by root 6. Minus 1 by root 6 into 1 by root 6 plus M1 M2. M1 is minus 1 by root 6. Here we have minus 2 by root 6. Minus 1 by root 6 into minus 2 by root 6 plus N1 N2. N1 is 2 by root 6. Here N2 is 1 by root 6. 2 by root 6 into 1 by root 6 plus, that is equal to minus 1 into minus 1 into 1 is 1, minus 1 by root 6 into root 6 is 6, minus 1 by 6 plus minus 1 into minus 2, minus 1 into minus 2 is 2, that is 2 by 6, 2 by 6 plus 2 ones are 2, numerator 2 ones are 2 by denominator is root 6 into root 6 is 6, that is 2 plus 2 4, 4 minus 1, when the denominators are equal we are adding the numerators, 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 minus 1 is 3, that is 3 by 6, modulus of 3 by 6, 3 by 6 can be written as 1 by 2, therefore cos theta is equal to 1 by 2, cos theta equal to 1 by 2, here we have the two angles here we have the two angles, one is theta is equal to 60 degrees and another one is 120 degrees also, but we take in this problem theta equal to 60 degrees only. Why? Because in this problem they are asking only acute angle. Acute angle means below 90 degrees. Actually we get to two angles, theta equal to 60 degrees and one more is 120 also, but we don't take the 120 more. In this problem they are asking only acute angle. Remember that only. Okay? Acute angle means below 90. So we take the 60 degrees only. Theta equal to 60 degrees is the acute angle.